In the last part, we create the documentation. To the documentation, first we use the dimension tools. To measure different elements independently, we use the quick dimension from the dimension tool. First, click on the element and place the dimension line. Now we create all walls and openings dimensions in one step. Start the All Walls tool and select the dimensions that you would like to create. Add them to the list and click OK. Click outside the building. Now move your mouse to the position the first dimension string and click again. The dimensions will follow the changes of your drawing. You can add other dimensions or erase existing ones. Now we create the wall elevation view. First choose the wall elevation command from the documentation tool, then select the wall. Place the wall view on the floor plan. Use the dimension command to scale the drawing. To visualize the floor plan with texture, choose the Create Floor Snapshot command from the documentation tool. You can print the drawing directly to the printer or into a PDF file. Set up the path and the name of the PDF file. Select the paper size and the orientation. You can define the scale factor and align the content to the center of the page. You can also print the perspective views or elevation views you created before. Now we define a center view in the perspective dialog. After that, we can look around inside the model. In the 3D window, you can choose different visualization of the model. In this example, we are using the consistent color representation. Choose the realistic option to get a better quality in 3D. You can visualize the 3D model with shadow effects. First, switch on the sun toolbar and define the location, date and time. After that, switch on the shadow effect. If you set a time period, you can create a shadow animation. You can also visualize the light effect in the 3D model. Finally, we create the photorealistic renderings. We suggest to use only low resolution and low quality for the first renderings. Based on the rendering result, make changes in the model and do the rendering again. If you are satisfied with the previous rendering image, then you can increase the quality and the resolution in the rendering settings. Using this method, you can save time.